Hello, we are going to move on. This is considered our last section that I'm going to cover in probability. This is a topic that people are often familiar with: mean, median, and mode. These are three of our measures of central tendency. So the first of these is mean. When we say just the word mean in mathematics, it typically is talking about the arithmetic mean. In another video in the future, we may talk about the geometric mean of numbers, but right now it's just the arithmetic mean, and that is the sum of a set of data values divided by the number of data values. So this is the same thing as the average of a set of numbers. The median of a set of values is the middle value of an ordered list of data. For a data set with an even number of data values, there is no middle value, so it's the median of so the median is the mean of the middle two values. And for the mode, that is the most frequently occurring data value or data values in a set. So we'll just do a couple of examples of finding the mean, median, and mode of sets of data. So typically, anytime I'm going to find the median, I'm going to put these in order. So let's just go ahead and do that. So these are all numbers between 1 and 10. I don't have any 1s or any 2s or any 3s. I have a pair of 4s, so we can rewrite this as 4, 4, and then I have a 5. I have two 6s. I have a 7. I don't have any 8s, don't have any 9s, and I have a 10. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our mean, again, that's the arithmetic mean or the average. So we are going to add all of these numbers up. So it's 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10, all over the number of data values, which we said was 7. So this is 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10. All divided by 7. And that actually has a mean of 6. So 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10. That's 42. So we get 42 over 7, which is 6. For our median, sometimes people will cross numbers off. That works too. That's the middle value, and since there are 7 values, there will be a middle value for this set. Take off the lowest and highest, next lowest and highest, next lowest and highest. So our median value here is 6. And then our mode, which value occurs the most frequently? We have 2 values that occur twice and none that occur more than that. So we have 2 modes this time, 4 and 6. You can have 1, you can have more than 1. So those are our measures of central tendency that we're talking about here. Mean is 6, median is 6, the mode is both 4 and 6 for this set of numbers. And then we'll go to example 2 here. This will be the last one we do today. So we want to find the mean, median, and mode of this set of numbers. So let's again write them in order. These are all numbers less than 100. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. I have one single digit number, that is 4. I don't have anything from 10 to 20. I don't have anything in the 20s. I do have something from 10 to 20. It's 14. I don't have anything in the 20s. I have something in the 30s. Don't have anything in the 40s. Don't have anything in the 50s. And then I have my last 3 numbers in the 60s. So there's our list of numbers here. Our mean, again, is the sum of the numbers divided by the number of data values. So we're going to do 4 plus 14 plus 39 plus 62 plus 68 plus 69 all over 6. So that is 4 plus 14 plus 39 plus 62 plus 68 plus 69 That's 256 over 6. And we know that's going to be able to simplify at the very least because we can factor a 2 out of there, and that is what it is. You factor 2 out of both of those, and it is 128 over 3. If you divide that and get a decimal, it is 42.6. Repeating, or if you were to round that to the nearest tenth, 42.7 or 42.67 to the nearest hundredth. Now we will go to the median. And now that because we have our data set in order, I can take the highest and lowest value off, the highest and lowest value off. There is an even number of values in this set, so we're left with 39 and 62 as my middle two values. So the median will be the average of those two numbers. So we need to take the average of 39 and 62, and that is 50.5. So we have two values in the middle. It's the average of 39 and 62, which is 50.5. Exactly in between the two middle values. Another part of something we know about the median is exactly half of the data set will be below the median and exactly half will be above the median. And then our mode, I don't have any numbers that repeat. We can have multiple modes, but it doesn't really make sense to say that every number in the data set is the mode. So if every number occurs the same amount of times with the same frequency, most often if every number only occurs once, we will say there is no mode. So none, NA, not applicable, something along those lines. In this case, there was no mode.